Kani kadai ka Batisi TV, bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasni, belawan rasha pi da ka umrupa, ringkat bat ka orange Nissan, lom sopo near Fabricate Shillong.
New Nissan Kicks. Bookings open now.
Nadu kasiterek muntau benaya yong arajar kat kendai, ke Vijaya Bank, bat ke Dena Bank, kin se trelang no kum ka wei ka bank, bat ke Bank of Baroda. Kat kum ka jing penbena bala penbena da ke Reserve Bank of India ha ka laipo trek ulber muntau snam arajar kat kendai, ke Vijaya Bank bat ke Dena Bank, kin salong no kum ki Shnat Treikam jong ke Bank of Baroda ha barok wei kri India. Bat barok kinong kan chopisa jong kini ki artli ki bank, on senyong no kum kinong kan chopisa jong ke Bank of Baroda. Deputy General Manager jong ke Regional Office na Guwahati jong ke Vijaya Bank Ushantanu Mukherjee ha ka jekran bat kinong pathai ko bor ha ka shiterek mentau benaya yong arja kat kendai ha Shillong Press Club ulai tho baya ke jingtre lang hapdeng ke Vijaya Bank ke Dena Bank bat ke Bank of Baroda kadai karai ke balasem de ke bot jong barok kini ki lai tuli ki bank kencho pisa nadu benai nailor jong snam arja kat para balala.
Today is the first day when in the history of the Indian banking, three commercial banks of totally a different genre are coming together, amalgamating Vijaya Bank, Dena Bank and Bank of Baroda to form a new entity, Bank of Baroda. The bank will have a customer base of 120 million plus customers, that is almost 9% of India's population. In case of agriculture loans, corporate lending, government social programs, the amalgamated bank would be the second largest in the country. The combined entity will have 22% market share in the state of Gujarat and about 8 to 10% market share in other key states like Maharashtra, Karnataka, Rajasthan and Uttar Pradesh. Complementarily, if we say, then the presence of this amalgamated entity will be in equal percentages all over the country, whether it is west, east, north or south. Now the most important thing is, what is the benefit to the customers of these three banks of the amalgamated entity? When that amalgamated entity is formed, what are the benefits to the customers? First, Vijaya Bank and Dena Bank customers can continue to get the services with the same account number, same passbook, same checkbook, ATM debit card, internet banking, mobile banking, application till further communications. Presently, there will be no change at all for the customers. Further, the customers can continue to avail the services with their existing branch and bank network of their respective banks. Branding of all three entities will be retained in the interim period and will be changed in a phased manner to ensure minimum disruption for customers. Suddenly, from today, if the Vijaya Bank, formerly Vijaya Bank or Dena Bank board is changed and instead of that the new entity Bank of Baroda board is placed, then the customers may get shocked or lot of queries, lot of confusion should be there in the mind of the customers. That is why an interim period has been fixed for which the branding will be changed in a phased manner. Customers stand to benefit from wider product range and geographical reach and enhanced service offering. Bank of Baroda's financial product suite of insurance, asset management, credit cards, supply chain finance and cash management solutions, foreign currency funding will now be available to the customers of Dena Bank as well as Vijaya Bank also. Customers will now have access to 9,500 branches, 13,400 ATMs and 1,200 plus e-lobbies with 24/7 banking services.